Did you know Napoleon Bonaparte was once attacked by an army of bunnies? Here's what happened. Napoleon planned a fancy rabbit hunt for his officers. But instead of wild rabbits, his staff brought hundreds of tame, farm-raised bunnies. And guess what? Instead of running away, they thought Napoleon was there to feed them. Suddenly, this harmless rabbit hunt turned into a furry invasion. Dozens, then hundreds of rabbits swarmed Napoleon's legs, his coat, even jumped into the carriages. He had to flee the battlefield from rabbits. But wait, it gets even weirder. In Rabbit Kentucky, a dog named Goofy was actually elected mayor. Yep, the entire town voted for a dog instead of a human, and he won. Not just once, Rabbit Hash has had multiple dog mayors. So Napoleon couldn't defeat rabbits, and a dog literally beat humans in an election. Maybe history really is ruled by animals.